All right, guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we just see uh, how you can create a business profile for when you're creating some kind of content. So it is important to have a business profile. So in this video, we will see your audience profile. When you're creating content, you're not just creating any kind of content that does not add value to the users or for users, of course. So it is important to have audience profile which which actually gives you the idea of what kind of problems they are facing, what kind of pains that they would want to solve, what kind of life problems they are facing, so that you create content around all those problems, and then you will get a lot of engagements and a lot of views and shares, comment and likes. Here you can see your profile, your audience profile. So what you need is you need to have these four things: insert business profile, provide a list of actionable insights for each customer components. So this is basically a prompt for for AI tool, which we will see in a bit. Here you can see goals, pains, objectives. So this is the whole prompt. You can put it into the you can also use a ChatGPT model, or you can also use DeepSeek. Here you can see I'm using DeepSeek because here you have to add your business profile in order to get the audience, audience profile. Here you can see I just told you this is an example in order to, I'm just taking this example in order to show you guys how you can create audience profile first, and then you will get to see what are the problems they're facing and how you can solve, how you can create content around all those problems. So just click on this. Let's see, it gives us the audience profile, I hope. So here you can see this is thinking. DeepSeek is actually an amazing tool, when you compare with a lot of other tools like Gemini or Capilot, or from grok.com. So all those tools are actually good. There is also China tool from China, which is like kimi.com, KIMI. If I'm not wrong, because I have already used all those tools because for my own content creation, because it takes a lot of time to actually show you is what would be your audience profile. Here you can see. So yeah, here you can see creators goal. This is the goal of your audience. This is the pain that they are facing. These are the objectives that you should focus on, and average actionable insights. So these are the few insights. So this is how you need to create some kind of audience profile for in your niche. Because I'm just giving you example how you can actually create audience profile, because there are lots of people who might be interested in like in certain niches, like the there are lots of niches like tech niches, food, uh any sort of chemical industries like solar systems, and there are engineering, there are like engineering niches, which it depends on the people, it depends on the business, that what kind of business you're running and what kind of business profile actually you have. So I want to understand how you can create audience profile first using AI tools, and then you will get to see the idea of what would be your goals, what are the pains, and what are the objections. I hope you understand this. Create your own audience profile, and then in the upcoming videos I will show you how you can use this audience profile in a more deeply way, in a more deep way. So hope this helps. See you in the next one.